Okay guys, so we're just gonna jump right into this video. This was Ava's first day of preschool, and right here I'm just waking her up. She hates getting up early in the morning. It can sometimes be a little bit of a struggle, and I give her a bath at night. We have our own little she has her nighttime routine with daddy, so she's already had a bath and everything, so I usually just change her, wipe her down a little bit, and go ahead and change her clothes. Before I go ahead and put Ava's clothes on, I usually like to have a little bit of snuggle time with her before we go ahead and start our day, and usually that gives her a nice little burst of energy. So here I am just going ahead and putting her clothes on, getting her dressed for the day. This can sometimes be a task, but this morning it was not so bad. Sometimes she will run from me and I have to chase her to put her clothes on, but she did pretty good this day. Now that Ava is all dressed, time for me to go ahead and brush her hair, which she is not a big fan of getting her hair brushed. It can sometimes be a little bit of a task because she has super curly hair and she has a lot of hair for a 1-year-old, so it does get tangled sometimes and it hurts, so she doesn't really like that. I just turned on a little bit of Baby First channel for her. Usually Color Crew is playing at this time of morning and she loves Color Crew, so that distracts her a little bit while I go ahead and get her hair done. I'm basically just using a spray bottle that has water in it and a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and I also have a moisturizer. It's Can2 Kids moisturizer cream, and I just use that to comb through and saturate her curls, and I'm gonna just top that off with a headband. Now that Ava's all dressed and her hair is combed, time for some breakfast. This morning, Ava was eating some oatmeal with some sliced apples. She has oatmeal for the most part, majority of her breakfast throughout the week. On the weekends, sometimes we get a little fun, but oatmeal's kind of our go-to. I just make a big pot of it on Sunday night, and then throughout the week I can just heat it up and I'll add different fruits, sometimes blueberries, sometimes strawberries, or I'll just put something on the side, and she usually likes that. After Ava finishes eating her breakfast, I just go ahead and put her shoes on and grab her bags that I've already packed the night before, and we are headed to the car. This was Ava's first day of preschool, so we started the morning off a little bit earlier than what we usually do. She has to be to school no later than 9 o'clock, so my mornings do start a lot earlier than what they were starting before when she was just being babysat. We arrived to the school and Miss Ava is wearing her backpack. That is a little bit too big for her. It was a little too heavy, but it was just so cute and she wanted to wear it, so. Her dad and I walked her into school and she was so excited and ready to take on the world.